Quick answers on Instagram are designed for times when you always need to use the same words or long sentences, so you can trim them. This is an option with which you can create words that are shortcuts for longer ones or phrases. The first thing you must do is turn your account into a professional. To do this, go to your Instagram settings and tap the Switch to Work Account option. You must choose a category depending on the type of professional you want to indicate. Now, enter any conversation in Instagram chat. The option to create these shortcuts is only in chats. Once inside, click the Sum button to the right of the field available to type. New options will appear. In them, click on the icon of the conversation sandwich that you have between the GIF and likes, which is that of the quick answers. You will go to a screen where you'll see quick responses created if you have them. Here, click the plus sign button on the top right of this pop-up window, and it will tell you that you want to create a new shortcut. First, you have to type the entire message and then the shortcut or shortcut you want to use. Therefore, there are only two text fields that you must fill in. And now, all that's missing is for him to start using his new shortcut. To do this, type the abbreviated text and click the sandwich icon on the right next to the send message button. When you do, the abbreviated text will be changed to the entire one you have set up, no matter how long.